What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today's video, I want to share with you how yesterday I went to Walmart and bought 5 items of one product and then a few other products that I got on clearance. And I want to share with you how I made $50 in about 15 minutes buying some items off clearance. A lot of you out there may be waiting on your first private label product to get to Amazon. Maybe you guys don't have the money to invest $2,000, $3,000 into your first private label product. So doing some online retail arbitrage, that's how I actually first got started selling on Amazon, flipping products. And so today I want to share with you how exactly I made $50 in 15 minutes, step by step. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back to those of you who are my subscribers. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Today's going to be a complete breakdown of online retail arbitrage, how you can make money flipping products right from your home by going to the store, spending 15, 20 minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, finding and buying products on clearance, and then selling them to make profit on Amazon. My name is Brian Noonan. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller and mentor. Right here on my YouTube channel, I release 1 to 2 new videos every single week covering everything Amazon FBA related, making money online and e-commerce. If you enjoy that type of content, if you could, please go down right now and give me a thumbs up on this video, hit that like button, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I can see each and every one of you who take just a moment to subscribe, and I appreciate all of you. My job right here on this YouTube channel is to help, teach, educate as many people as possible, sharing my journey of how I went from a struggling drug addict several years ago all the way to a full-time 6-figure online seller. Without any other delays, let's go ahead and jump inside my computer so I can share with you how to get these products listed and making money in 15-20 minutes. Coming up right now. All right, guys, so this is the product that I found, one of the products I found in the clearance section of Walmart. Now, it's a bow making kit, Become a Bow Genius decor decorating kit. You can see the price there is $10. And what I actually did is, if you guys have the Amazon Seller Central app on your phone, you can download that Seller Central app as long as you have an Amazon Sellers account. Download that app, and there's a little feature in the top right, which I'll insert some video here or in a little bit so you can see. You can actually just click that little camera button and scan the front of any product, at the store. Scan the front, the label of the product, or turn it around and scan the barcode, and it'll actually pull that product up right on Amazon, and you can see what category that product's in, how much is it selling for, and then how much can you actually pay for it right there in the store. So I went through a ton of products on the clearance aisle, including like phone cases, outer box phone cases, dolls, all different types of products, but I found a couple that were good. The rest I really couldn't make any profit on. And I just like to do this on the side, doing some flipping of products on the side. It doesn't take much time. Once you get the hang of it, of how to actually search for the product, figure out if it's profitable or not from how much you can buy it. Like I bought 5 of these bow making kits for $10 each, spent $50, but I'm going to show you here on Amazon, they sell for like $25 and $30. So I'm going to have, even after shipping, $10 to $15 profit per unit times 5, and I made $50 or more right there. So let me jump into my phone so I can show you exactly how you search for the product and figure out, can you make money selling it or not. Here, guys, I'm at Walmart, just checking out the clearance section and finding products on clearance, and here's where I found the product on the clearance shelf. Here, guys, I took out the Amazon Seller Central app. On the top right there, you can see that little camera button. You press that, and then what I did is I scanned the back of the product, of the barcode. You can do this on any product, and then it pulls it right up there. If it's on Amazon selling, you'll see it right away. You click there. Sometimes there'll be multiple listings, so find the one that's the exact size, pack, variation that you have, whether that's a 30 pack or a 30 ounce or a 24 ounce or whatever the case may be. Make sure you choose the right one because you don't want to sell the incorrect one. And then you can see here's all the new listings, people selling this product on Amazon and their prices. So $31, $31, $34.99, $35. Again, remember I paid $10 for this product. And then you go down even further, there's some selling for like $40 and $45. Down here, $41, $44, $45. I paid $10 for it. So you can see there's really a lot of opportunity for profit. All right. And then once you look at some other factors like the prices and how much you could possibly get, here you can go back and see, are you eligible to sell the product? How many people are selling the product? The lowest price there is $31. Amazon sales rank is super important to look at. You don't need to know the UPC number or the ASIN, but you'll mainly look at what's the sales rank, what's the category, are you eligible to list the product for sale, what are the sellers listing their products at, which price point, and then where can you come in and be fair, make a good profit, possibly get the buy box, which means you get the sale if a customer clicks buy now. So I chose to start with $29.99 is my price. I may go up to like $34.99. Seller SKU for me, my inventory purposes, Bo Genius gift, conditions new, and then Amazon will ship. No, I will ship the product myself with just 5 units. I'm not going to pay to ship all 5 into the Amazon warehouse. I'm going to go ahead and ship. I will ship the product myself to the customer when the customer orders the product. Now you'll want to monitor all those other sellers. If you notice they're raising their prices, you want to raise yours too, or lower them down so you get the sale. All right, as you can see there, guys, I just listed that product successfully. The price I want, I will ship the product myself. Now, I just got an email after creating that listing that the listing will go live in about 15 minutes, and the listing has been created. Once an order comes in, I will get a notification from Amazon, an email saying, you just sold a product, congratulations. You agreed to ship this product by, and then you have about 24 hours to 48 hours to confirm the order. Go into your Seller Central account to the Manage Orders tab, click on the order ID, enter the product's weight and size, and then you can actually just buy shipping right through your Seller Central account. So I'll enter the product, this box, I'll enter this one box size and weight, and then I'll put it into an old Amazon box. I'll buy shipping right through Seller Central. I'll put it into an old Amazon box that I have just laying around my house, and I'll print off on a normal printer and printer paper the carrier label. Usually I go with UPS or USPS. It's cheaper than FedEx most of the time, and I can drop it off at the UPS store. They ship both USPS and UPS. And congratulations, if I sell it for 30, I bought it for 10, I just made $15 on that product. And I started out at that $29.99 price. If I see the sellers are raising their price, or I go back in and do a little more research and figure out, yeah, they're selling it for 30 plus $5.99 shipping costs, because you will have to buy shipping, I may bump it up to $35 even, and then I would make even more profit even after shipping. Okay, guys, that's how you list a product and flip a product, and exactly how I made. I'm going to go list the other 4 items that I have, because I have a total of 5, and that's how I just made $50, $10 profit per unit, flipping clearance products on Amazon. Now, some of you guys may be wondering, but you're listing that private label seller's product on their listing. Isn't that hijacking? If you're listing a product that's widely available in stores, most likely they're not a small private label brand. So it's okay if you have a used DVD player, or you have a large, you find baby blankets, muslin baby blankets. Usually it's a larger brand like TracFone or Bluetooth headphones. Listing products on those larger brands and larger companies' listings is okay. You just never want to hijack a listing for somebody else's private label brand. If they're a smaller seller, just be careful. But then again, you're not like selling 200 of them. You only have a few to sell on the side, either used or new. So you're not necessarily hijacking their listing totally and trying to steal the buy box from them. And again, guys, you're just listing a few items here and there, 5 to 10, 15 units, however many you find. And that's okay, because it's mostly bigger brands. Now, where else could you find products? I went to Walmart and the dollar store, but could you just spend time at home on the computer and find products? Absolutely. In the beginning, I used a software called Tactical Arbitrage. This is a software similar to how we use Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for private label. Tactical Arbitrage finds products online at discount websites like jet.com, overstock.com, a whole ton of dozens and dozens of other websites I'd never heard of before. And it shows you, okay, you can sell this product, it has this BSR, it's selling on Amazon for this price, and you can get it from this website, for example, jet.com, for $19.99 each, but they sell on Amazon for $49.99 each, and you buy 5 of them, and then you list them for sale, and you make the profit in between what you paid at jet.com plus shipping, and then what you sell it for on Amazon. Now, guys, I have experience with doing merchant fulfillment or shipping these orders myself, but you could actually send these into Amazon too. If I wanted Amazon to fulfill those 5 units, I would still list the products like I did, except for where I chose I will ship the product myself. I would choose I want Amazon to ship the product, and then I would need to go in and do a shipping plan, print out the F and SKU on a 30-up label it on each unit, the F and SKU, and then do a shipping plan for those 5 units, and then buy shipping at UPS, attach the FBA shipping labels, buy the UPS labels, shipping labels, and ship those 5 units into Amazon, and then let Amazon fulfill those orders every time I sell one through those 5 units. Does that make sense? So you can do either one. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those down below in the comment section of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned how to flip products in your spare time or just for fun on the side like I do. I truly do love it, flipping products and making profit like that, spending 15 minutes to make 50 bucks. Why not, right? All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next video.